hopefully, if maybe in New Clark City, okay, we can actually build something there, and then all the other facilities in New Clark City. So that would be a perfect ground for hosting. And hopefully, if it gets turned over to PSC, so it's passed on to the Congress, now it's to the Senate. So hopefully, we're waiting for the Senate to approve.
Okay. Latest update po dun sa Philippine National Games Act na ninaturalize na yun ng Congress, and you hoping by the time na tapos na yung Congress, makakapasa na yun as a law? Chairman?
Yeah, I'm confident that it will be passed on to law. Tapos tayo Bata Pinoy, so PNG na lang. And I want to thank Senator Bongo. And I also want to thank Senator Zubiri for actually assisting in the Senate hearing. I wasn't there because I was out of the country, but I did watch online.
Okay. Bukod pa rito sa tinatayong 7-story na dormitory, Chairman, meron ata kayong plano na i-rehabilitate pati itong building na kinatitirikan natin, yung main building. Anong status na yon ng bidding and of course construction itong bagong building, renovated building ng administrative building ng PSC?
Well, I did get some funding from government to fix all facilities. So that would be the boxing and peckup. So that would be the start, and then we will move on to the other facilities. And I do plan to fix this building because it is actually condemned already. Okay. If you notice, I haven't fixed my office as well because I promised, I got this position that I will fix everyone's office. You go inside all these offices, even the roof, it's been raining, so I can show you all the tulol, okay? So it needs to be fixed. Pero ito muna yung mga atleta, mga dormitory ng mga atleta.
Okay. Okay, last question na lang. Kayo ay nakakaikayat din ng LT Lifestyle, hindi lang sa mga commissioners but of course sa mga employees, kasi last time nag-participate kayo sa Shopwise Bike Fest and other fun and engaging events, races. So ipagpapatuloy nyo ba yung advocacy ninyo to promote LT Lifestyle at para makaikayat yung mga mga employees natin to engage and to play sports? Salamat, magandang tanghali. Sagot ka na.
No, this is something I learned from Mr. Itex. So he actually joins races and also with the employees. You know, I don't get a chance to actually bond with employees that much because I'm always in my office or out of the country. And this is one way that I can actually be with my employees without a jacket, a polo, and you know. So I join them in the race. I eat with them breakfast and then we all go home. So hopefully I can actually, we started with 18 yata. The next bike race we ended up with 30 plus. Okay, so hopefully I can grow that to different sports and then get more employees and commissioners to join in, and something that they can actually know me more and my plans for PSC and for them by these races.
And of course, meron pa ka, may plano ba kayo magkaroon ng motorcycle club?
Oy. Mga scooter lang muna.
You know,
next question.
that's not the plan. They stopped me from riding. Like I'm supposed to ride to Isabela, pero tinitigil ako. So they expect me to fly, pero we'll see. Moto club, wala mo na. This is more of my stress reliever. I ride on weekends. I ride on some events na medyo close by.
Chairman, clarification lang doon sa nabanggit yung budget ng Pinado. Ano po to? Kasama na siya sa GA ng PSC or hiwalay or insertion pa rin?
Kasama sa kasama na. Okay, from DBM, it's a plan for next year.
Chairman, napag-usapan yung budget. For the longest time, yung mga venues ng PSC, nakatiwangwang, di napapakinabangan. Etong mga Rizal Memorial, Nino Aquino, Ultra, nagagamit na, puno ng tao. Yung nakakatulong ba sa coffers ng PSC?
Yes, if you notice, it is so nice to see na our Phil Sports, our Rizal Memorial is alive. Okay, so that's why I'm actually rushing also. If you notice that bus, there's a bus there by the tennis court. So that's going to be renovated, or it's renovated pa lang, and we're going to sticker over it, and then that's going to be a star bus that I can actually looking at.
Coffee shop.
Yeah, coffee shop, sandwiches, for events here. Kasi they only buy outside. So I'm doing this coffee shop that they can actually buy something inside. I'm still figuring it out. I do want to give it to an athlete who can run it. Like si Annie of Jiu-Jitsu, she has a coffee shop in Adamson. So I'm actually talking to her just to help out our athletes. Maybe they can run it, and then 10% actually of the sales will go to co-op. So the employees also make money. I may also take out the rent recover.
Chairman, yung area po ng dating bowling lane, bowling center,
That would
malaki
be-
din ho yun.
That will be turned down, and there's plans also for a 8-story taekwondo, arnis, and a bowling parking. Okay, so we are already moving, and with all the money I'm getting for PSC, I want to actually show that we are actually building for our athletes.
Chairman, just like to ask, we